Oh, why, hello. We're here today in this giant parking lot to do a Skate Everything Wars parking lot edition.
Just
you know
shopping
what?
carts.
Hold up. Here you go, Fetty.
Oh yeah.
Daniel, you want some? Now that we're all good and sanitized, we're here today for Skate Everything Wars.
Unleashed.
Unleashed.
Sanitized.
Unleashed by Petco. So what is that exactly? We haven't even done Petco in the first
Petco,
place.
but it's the branch. It's like the expensive branch.
Oh, okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go in there, we're gonna scope it out, and we're hopefully gonna find something to skateboard. It's gonna be Fetty versus Carlos, and then whoever wins gets a puppy.
I don't want it.
Okay, a kitten.
The cat toy.
Yeah, let's do this. Fetty,
Team.
team. Fetty, I feel like you're actually very excited to go to the store.
Yeah, you want to find something for my cat.
Let's have a better attitude about this, because I literally didn't sleep the best last night.
Sure.
I don't have a bed yet.
Hey,
so sleeping on the
you
floor,
know,
I
we're
do
trying
not
to have a
recommend.
discussion up here, and you guys are being too loud.
Oh, you know
okay?
what?
You just
Move along, dude.
I'm not being nice in these Skate Everything Wars anymore. It is war. Come at me.
Damn, that was mean.
I feel like we can't do this because it's already been done.
Yeah. See, there's nothing really solid that we can use, though. That's the problem I have. That might work.
Might leak though. Do the reverse carpet. You know how he gave you a carpet to skate?
You think that'll hold up, though?
He just put a 2x4 on the bottom of his.
I could do that. Sorry, guys. I know you don't like the whole 2x4 thing. We're really limited on options over here. This reminds me, I need to get myself groomed pretty soon. I want to get one of these for myself.
Oh my gosh! It is a little dog seatbelt. Oh no!
I've been wanting to skate these things. It's a couch.
Wait.
That would be.
Is this catnip?
Yeah.
Is that what it looks like?
Yeah.
What is catnip?
I don't know. It's a hamburger.
Wow, what is that? What is that? Whoa.
Kind of with you on the whole carpet thing.
Same way he did with the other IKEA rug.
Yeah, and
But
it's
just
just
this mini
reverse.
version.
I mean, a smaller version, so it's technically not the same thing.
Get him this.
Those are 100% Photoshop cat eyes.
That smells really bad.
Oh god. I don't even know what smell that is.
But I do like this thing. Oh no. It is 5-ply.
Dude, you go like this.
That's like an instant win.
Are you sure?
He could ollie. Whatever he picks, I might not be able to ollie.
Yeah, that's true.
He could 360, he could 180. That's a maybe. We'll leave that there for him to maybe get.
Okay. Dude, cut this out at the bottom. Make him wear that on his head.
Is this allowed? You skated one of these.
We skated like something like this.
Oh, just like a single one?
Yeah.
Then this is flat.
Yeah, we haven't touched that.
Ha.
Could you skate that?
I don't know how to get a drill in there. I mean, so far this is all I got to skate, so.
Yeah. We have enemies inbound. You stay in your lane. All right?
This is our lane.
No, this is my lane. This is my store.
Why can't we go to, like, why don't dinosaurs exist, you know? Like,
All right, don't roast me. 100%. I have a dog stroller at my house
Yeah.
that fits 3 dogs.
I did walk my cat once, all he did was smell. Oh, great cat. What is this?
It kind of looks like my dog.
If your dog lost 100
If
pounds.
he lost. Okay. Thank you for roasting my chubby dogs. All right, leave me alone.
Think this will fit on Carlos's head?
Oh yeah, that'll probably be too big for Carlos's head. Wait. Oh my god, that is so cute.
Disposable booties?
That is adorable. I want these for my dog.
Gabe's shooting us.
Wow.
Seriously, like, how do you promote a happy dog in a cage ad? It's just, there's nothing but sadness when you put a dog in a cage. Oh, hello.
hello.
You're in our lane
Hello,
again.
Clarice.
Stop calling it your lane. It is my lane.
We literally walked through the whole store. We've seen some cool dogs, though. It'd be sick if they could just, like, let us film some of the animals in here.
I would enjoy that thoroughly. I want to pat them all.
I guess we could just do stuff to make it fun. Maybe something he could wear.
Oh.
Whoa. Yo. The scratching post up there. Look at that.
There's a wide base, though.
I know, but you could break it off. What?
This makes me want to get a fish.
Oh, it's kind of heavy. I think it's worth a shot checking out.
Oh, and there is no base. Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's super solid. You have to do some investigating to see how much this thing is. Oh.
Can I just check the price of this?
It is $69.99.
Perfect, thank
For
you.
sure. Thank you.
That was easy.
Dude, thinking makes my head hurt right now. Re-sanitize. That's everything you need. It has paper towels, bag if you happen to defecate on the ground. Has everything an animal needs here. But
Gabe's right at home. So this is what you've got.
I think this place is like an elementary school where everybody just brags on how cool their animal is. You know, like when schools are like, "Oh, my kid is so smart." Like that's all I hear right now. Like, yeah, she does this, she does that. She's better than your
dog.
animal.
I think we need to find him and tell him we're done.
Walked around this whole store, literally like 5 times.
Yeah.
Oh. How are you guys doing? You ready yet?
Yep.
You are?
Yeah.
Literally walked around the store like
I saw
5
that.
times the whole thing. What do you got? Oh no.
I'm continuing with the trend of the heaviest thing.
Well, I'm doing this, which is an animal carpet, so it's not technically the same.
You're an animal carpet. You got nothing. Yeah, just you already lost. Both of you guys. You should just forget it now. All right, shall we?
Alright, it's gonna be $120.68.
All right, well, off to the warehouse to build these things. Oh, and we're back. Wow. Thank you for doing that. I needed that. Wow.
So we don't need these.
Wow, that actually looks really nice.
That'd be a pretty easy build.
You think you could just screw into it? I'd probably do 4. Dude, that is solid.
That is so sketchy. And these structures are so loose.
Stand on it. That did not work.
I legitimately almost sack tapped it.
Oh my god.
Kitty, kitty. There we go. I didn't even take the tag off.
Yeah, you don't even need bolts. You just screw the trucks in too.
That'll hold. We're cooking. All right, we're good to go. All set. See you guys tomorrow.
All right, guys. We're not in the Braille house. We're in the fiery pits of hell
I did
that is
heavy
Fremont
stuff.
Skate Park. And we're here with Carlos.
Hi.
And we're with Fetty the next day. And it's really hot. And we're gonna do this skate everything wars in the sun, not at the Braille house for a change. Rochambeau, who gets to go first? Okay, Carlos, you're first.
I'm gonna test it out, so I'm gonna go down the bank.
Oh, you're dead. How is it, Fetty?
Not bad.
Those are 2 most Hess tricks I've ever seen done here.
Scratch my back, I'll scratch yours, baby. Oh!
Wow, you nailed that.
Oh!
Oh, are you good?
Yeah.
Did you land primo on the coping in between your butt cheeks?
No, that was messed up.
Carlos, it looks like you're really itching to get a win.
Try to ride down to 5. Bad idea. Nope.
Oh yeah, that worked. Fetty, you're up. Oh,
Kickflip.
kickflip. Okay. Oh, I look. There's a screw sticking out.
I'm trying to drop in on the small one. Don't think it's gonna go very well, but we'll see.
Carlos, jeez!
We forgot the litter box.
Hey, man. That was perfect.
Yeah. Dang it didn't make the sound again. I was waiting for it.
It's more of a workout carrying this thing around. Oh no. Oh.
Yeah.
It's coming undone. I'm being sabotaged.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, look at this.
We do have screws.
Right, you can shove.
The tricks are really, really crazy in this series.
Yeah, they're just ramping it up right away in this game.
Oh my gosh. If you guys have ever seen a skating display this incredible, comment below. Tell me what it was. You are dead. Oh man. How? Oh. Betty, do you want to take the cat scratcher home?
Maybe.
Yeah.
That's the one there.
See?
T. Alright, that's game. I'm over it.
Well, we have a near flawless victory. The salt.
Should hold it tight. Cat track it. Yeah, I think we call it after that one.
Well, a very fast scratch cat record board poll later. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. That was a lot of fun. Big thanks to Petco Unleashed for being very cool to us and not kicking us out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to check out another Skate Everything Wars, you can click right here to check that out. But other than that, you can check out these guys on Instagram. The links will be in the description below. And you can subscribe, like, and leave a comment down there. Let us know what stores you'd like to see next in this Skate Everything Wars series. Maybe like a verse, you know, Lowe's versus Home Depot maybe? We'll see.
Check out our new line at BrailleSkateboarding.com.
Boom. See you tomorrow, 10 a.m.